Alright, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I'm going to be doing some maintenance on my Swiss Army knife. I'm not sure what model it is, but I mean it's got every little gizmo on there. And it's the 91mm, which is basically the traditional size that you're going to run across. And a couple things I bought. I bought this SwissQlip, which is going to make it similar to my Leatherman, which I love. And it's got that little pocket clip, which I like because it sits on top of my pocket instead of getting all squished in my pocket. And what basically happened with this is, if you look at it, this scale, they're called scales, I actually didn't know that until I had to go buy one, basically was sitting in my pocket getting jostled around, and then boom, came apart on me. So a couple things I'm going to do is, one, I bought replacement scales. Yep, you can actually buy replacement scales. It's pretty cool. And let me see what side that was. Alright, so that's the logo side. So it even comes with a new tweezer. So basically you have these little brass clips that these basically just press upon. And they're plastic. The scales are plastic, so they are going to break at some point. So, and then the only thing you do is you basically just push it on. Give it a good little grasp with your hand, and that's it. Your new scale is on. Now to get them off, you'll have to do a little prying. Like I said, it comes with new tweezers, but you'll be able to see the lip that goes around on the edge. That you can kind of put like a really thin, small flathead on the other side, and you'll be able to gingerly pop them off. And then something else that I got that I wasn't sure about was, actually before I destroy the package, it's called the SwissQlip, and it goes onto your Swiss Army knife. That screwdriver rolled off the table. But anyway, what it does is it's going to go through your keyring hole that you have your keyring on, and on that little side. So you basically have to take that little keyring off. I'm trying to do this quick because it's raining here, and it's the only like free moment I have to do this. But anyhow, so that clip comes off, that ring comes off rather. So then you're left with that little ring gizmo. And if you look at the back of this little SwissQlip, it's got that little screw. And then basically what you're doing is you're just taking that little screw off. And then it's going to mount kind of flush. If you can see it, it's going to be kind of flush to your whole little Swiss Army knife. So, and then what you're going to do is line up that little hole so you can put that little screw in there. And basically what I'm going to do is just drop it in the back part so you can kind of see how I got that sitting back there. And then you're basically just lining up this little piece here, and with your screwdriver you are screwing it in. Takes a little lining up to get this thing right where you need it. Okay, I got it on. It was a little tricky though, because the little eye hole for your keyring, it's kind of like on a spring itself, and mine was bent pretty good, and I had to bend it out to be able to get the screw in there. But after I got it done, this is basically what it looks like. So, but my knife is used quite a bit, used and abused, so it was a little difficult to get on, but I like it just for the pure fact that it's going to sit in my side pocket and not sit in my pocket and where it's going to get damaged. I actually had it on a key ring, and that's probably why my key ring hole was probably a little bit off and got bent a little bit. So that's why it was a little more difficult, but overall I like it now because now I have a tool that I like my Leatherman that's got that side clip on it. So now I got two tools that I can sit on the side of my pockets, and I don't have to like fish around for everything. But anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, great new little product that we got, and the SwissQlip. Anyway, check it out. Leave the links below for everything, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, liking, and be safe out there. Bye.